In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed your Canva design in Google Sites. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in just a few minutes, enabling you to seamlessly share your Canva creations on your Google site. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva's homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log into your account to access all your designs. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in website. This will pull up a variety of website templates you can choose from. Feel free to browse through the available options and select a template that catches your eye. If you're on a budget, don't worry, there are plenty of free templates available to choose from. Once you've picked your template, click Customize this template to start personalizing it. Now, you can get creative. Make any adjustments or changes needed to your template to fit your project's needs. Add any text, images, or elements that you'd like. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to share it. Head to the top right corner of the Canva interface and click on the Share button. In the menu that appears, you'll see several sharing options. Click on See All to expand your choices. You're looking for the Embed option here. Once it appears, click on Embed. Don't be surprised if this brings up a secondary Embed button that you have to click again. We're just making sure you get the right link. Next, you'll see an option to copy the Embed code. Click Copy to add this code to your clipboard. Now it's time to jump over to Google Sites. In a new tab, open Google Sites and navigate to the site where you want to embed your Canva design. Once you're there, find and click on the Embed button, often located in the Insert menu. From there, select Embed Code. Now take that code you copied from Canva and paste it into the provided field. Once your code is pasted, click Next. A preview of your embedded design will typically appear at this point, letting you confirm it's exactly what you want. If everything looks good, click Insert to place your Canva design into the Google site. And there you have it, your Canva creation is now beautifully showcased on your Google site for all to see. So whether you're giving a presentation, setting up a digital portfolio, or just want to share your artwork in a unique way, this method of embedding Canva designs into Google Sites is an incredible way to enhance your digital projects. I hope this guide was helpful and I can't wait to see what amazing designs you share with the world. Thank you for watching and happy creating.